Welcome to Quale House. Today I'm sharing our entryway table, and hopefully this will inspire you to add some of these elements into your home. First, I started with this table from the Studio McGee line at Target, and then I stacked this art from Etsy that I found, and I just put it in my own IKEA frame that I already had. You guys, I love to take off the covers of books and then just stack them. You can use all different shapes and sizes and colors, and it adds so much. And then I love wood and tassels, and it adds texture and yumminess to any space. And I found these at Hobby Lobby thanks to my friend Jacqueline. And then I added in some metallic here to match and tie in with the gold in the mirror. And then I stacked on top of it a little black box that I already had on hand. I love shopping my own home. I think it's a great way to add elements that you already have on hand. And then it always helps to add ambiance with a little candle. I found this one at Bath & Body Works, and my favorite scent, Fall Leaves. I burn this all year round, all the time, and it just smells so good. You can see I burn it a little too much, which is why it's almost gone. We searched everywhere for a rug, and we finally found this one. It's in a mushroom and cream color, and I think it really makes the space feel welcome, and hopefully makes anyone who comes feel like they can take off their shoes and stay a while. And then here you can see it all come together quickly. The lamp is from Walmart. You can see how all of the items stack on top of each other, and it really comes together nicely. And then these two baskets are from Target. Sometimes we see a picture online and we don't know why it looks put together. It just does. We just know that it looks pretty. These videos really help because you can see how every item just all comes together as you stack and layer them on top of each other. People will tell you that decorating isn't important, but I think the entryway where the people that you love most enter your home is important. They should feel welcome and want to be there. You guys, look at this before. This is what it looked like before. We painted our walls white and our doors black and then styled the space. And remember that this video and all our videos are sponsored by our very own shop, qualehouse.com, where you can get pillows and insert. Don't forget to watch our last video on our Quale House property, where you can hear all of our plans for future projects on our Quale House farm and what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below with your favorite item in my entryway, or maybe your favorite item in your entryway, so we can share ideas and help each other out. Thank you so much for watching.